Hello everybody, and look what we got here now. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage Redjet 505. So what we got here today is just a quick glance at Horizon Hobby ECX amp monster truck. This is a really cool truck for beginners. It is a rear wheel drive vehicle, and the motor is on the back of it. Very lightweight vehicle, very cool, and very economy pricing on this thing. So you know, if you need something, a holiday gift or birthday gift or anything for kids, I would say around age 7 and up, this can be just great. If you like to get one, contact our shop. We are located at 17540 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, zip code 91344 in Granada Hills. MotoStyles shop, and we got this in stock. And again, like I always say, right now, get it now before the holiday. When you get closer to the holiday, we will have absolutely nothing. Hopefully it's gonna change, but this is the situation right now. This is the Horizon Hobby amp monster truck, rear wheel drive, 1/10 scale, beautiful car, entry level and very low price. See you in my next chapter. I'm gonna show a couple other vehicle back to back, so stay tuned, show you what else is here.